channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a secret ingredient that can help you to have a smooth and flawless skin in 3 to 8 hours or overnight. So if this is the kind of content you love to watch, then stay tuned. And also, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button down below, and also refer my videos to your friends and your colleagues. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to be sharing with you just one ingredient an average home has that can help you to have a smooth and textured free face in about 8 hours or overnight. And the secret ingredient is, drum rolls, Vaseline petroleum jelly. The brand name is called Vaseline. Vaseline was invented in 1870 and it has been proven to be very good for the skin by the dermatologists. It is a very good cream that helps you it heals wound. It's also very good if you can include it in your skincare routine. So I'm going to be sharing with you how you can do this, how you can include this in your skincare routine. Vaseline is very good after you must have done your night skincare routine. If you've not watched my videos on skincare routine, please make sure you do that. I'm going to leave it somewhere on this screen. Make sure you watch it before you watch this video. After you must have done your skincare routine at night, just apply Vaseline on your skin to lock in the moisture on your face before you go to bed. Make sure your skincare routine is always done at least 30 minutes to 1 hour before you go to bed. The reason is because when you do your skincare routine and lie down to sleep, your pillowcase and your bedsheets can rub off all the products you've applied on your skin. So make sure you always do your skincare routine at night at least 30 minutes to 1 hour before you go to bed. So after you must have done your night's routine, apply Vaseline on your skin and your skin is going to feel very smooth, very textured free face by the next day. Try it and leave a comment in the comment section if you want to have a smooth looking face by the next day, and if you want your makeup to glide through and make your skin look very smooth by the next day. Try out this method and leave a comment in the comment section. The process of applying Vaseline on your skin to lock in moisture is called slugging. Slugging doesn't clog the pores like people think it does. It only protects the skin from attracting bacteria and germs by going into a couple of layers on your skin. You should try this slugging if you have damaged skin so that the acne product you apply on your skin can work properly. This is me doing my night skincare routine. I washed my face, applied vitamin C serum, then I used a light moisturizer for my face. Be careful when you are cleaning your face. Don't clean the water off your face totally. After the routine, you apply a large quantity of Vaseline or petroleum jelly on your skin. The next day, your skin is going to feel very smooth and bump free. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and share my videos. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.